This is a quick tutorial on how to apply the screen protectors for the Wouxun handheld radios. For this example, we'll be using the KG935G GMRS radio. In the screen protector pack, you have 4 items. You have 2 wipes to use to clean the radio screen, a pack of stickers to remove dust and any other particles, and finally you have the screen protector itself, covered with 2 sides of protective plastic. The first step is to open up the packet of wipes labeled 1. This is the wet wipe that will remove most of the residue from your radio screen. Once you've finished wiping down the radio screen with the wet wipe, open up the second pack labeled with a 2. This is the dry wipe. It'll clean up any wet residue that's still on the radio. Once you're done with the second wipe, you can take out the screen protector. It's optional to use the stickers to remove any dust from the screen if the wipes haven't already done so. If you don't need it, then don't use it. There are 2 sides on the screen protector. One is labeled the front and the other the back. The back is covered with a clear protective piece of plastic. This protects the sticky side of the screen protector. Remove this side first. Carefully line up the screen protector with the screen of the radio, in this case the 935G. Make sure the corners line up exactly. Then, while keeping the screen protector in place, use your finger to press down on the top of the screen protector and work your way down. Make sure you press down in the entire surface area of the screen protector to eliminate any air bubbles. You don't have to start at the top, but just make sure you go from one side to the other completely. After the screen protector is applied, you can remove the front protective layer. Use the tab on the blue side to carefully pull it off. And there you have it. You have a clear screen protector for your Wouxun handheld radio. You can purchase the Wouxun screen protector and the KG935G on buytoairradios.com. Thanks for watching.